Welcome to Exclaim. In this video, we will discuss rosters. Rosters work. So you see that I've added names and numbers. I've deliberately not included the alias option, and I'll show why in a second. So once you go to the roster, you can toggle back and forth roster and design. And here is where you can select each person's name and number, which I've added to the design element, and you are able to change the flag. You can add single rows, or you can punch in an amount and add that many rows. As you add items to your roster, you'll notice that the price will decrease. You'll get a better discount as you increase your order size. This particular account is set to a different tier pricing. I'll get into that in a later video. But for now, just understand that you will always receive the best pricing possible, whether it's a bulk discount or your account tier discount. But nonetheless, you're able to add the information here. If you now want to add an alias, maybe you just now realize that you can click on the plus, and this is going to ask you to add it to your design first. We need to know the font, the color, the placement before we can get into the specifics of the actual information behind it. So we add it to our design, it plugs in. As you can see, it messed up the design. So we would have to either relocate the alias, or we can just slide this down a bit. That's probably our best bet. And let's change the alias, no outline, and change it to our blue. Since this blue overlaps with the blue of the design, it's good to add an outline and then just do the white, so that at the very bottom here, you can see there's a distinction between the number and the design. That's just good practice for creating the jersey design. And just because it's bothering me, let's also change this, and let's put it on the right sleeve. Thanks for watching. I hope you found the answers that you were looking for. Keep in mind that we're always developing the site with new features and improvements, so make sure you're signed up and receive